Hello and welcome everyone to this PostgreSQL tutorial. And today in this PostgreSQL tutorial, we will learn about the substring function along with the upper and lower function in PostgreSQL. And these tools for manipulating and transforming text data. These functions are commonly used for various data manipulation tasks, and they can help you extract, modify, or reformat text within a string. Now we will start with the first function, which is called substring in PostgreSQL. So the substring function is used to extract a substring from a given string based on a specified pattern or position. It is a versatile function that can be tailored to your specific needs. And the syntax is very simple. You type a substring function, and within function, you provide a string from, then the start, position, and then for length. So here within a substring function, the string is the source string from which you want to extract the substring, and the starting position is the position within the source string from which the extraction should begin. And for length, this is the optional parameter. It represents the number of characters to be extracted. If it is omitted, the function will extract from the starting position to the end of the string. For example, write a substring function, and within function provide a source string as a digital camera, and then the starting position should be from 1 and the length will be 5. So let's execute this query and see. But here it will throw error because we need to use this function with select statement. So write here select and then specify semicolon and execute this query. As you can see in the output, it shows the first 5 letters of the string digital camera. So here the starting position is 1. So you can see here the starting position of a string is the letter D. And now count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And at the 5th position, you see the letter T. So in the output, you see all the letters from position 1 to 5. This is how you can extract a substring from the source string using a substring function in PostgreSQL. You can also start from a different position, like if you specify 3, so the extraction will begin from the letter 3. So the here extraction is going to begin from G letter. So you see at the 3rd position there is letter G. So now select this query, execute it. As you can see GITAL. So here starting position is the G and the ending position is L. If you count the letter, you will find there are 5 letters from the starting position to the ending position. Now the next function is a upper function in PostgreSQL. The upper function is used to convert all characters in a string to uppercase. This is useful for text comparison case insensitive or for presenting data uniformly in uppercase. And the syntax is very simple. You need to type a function upper and within function provide the string, and this is the string you want to convert to uppercase. And suppose you want to convert a string in uppercase, so let's take an string as example. So here I am going to provide the string name is a digital camera, and here you see that the string digital camera in a lowercase. So here we want to convert this lowercase into uppercase. So select this query, execute it. Now you can see in the output each letter of the string in uppercase. Now the next function is lowercase in PostgreSQL. So lowercase allows you to convert any text or string into a lowercase. And for that you type a function lower, then within function provide a string that you want to convert into lowercase. And for that, if you here type something like select lower, then within function provide a string. And here I'm going to provide a string as a digital camera and all the letter in the string in a uppercase. Now select this query, execute it. As you can see, all the letter of the string in a lower case. So this is how you can extract a substring from the given string in PostgreSQL or convert any given string into upper and lower case using the upper or lower function in PostgreSQL. So at last, I want to say don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you.